the best way to start a side hustle is to come up with your own problems and solve them. So I went through the ChatGPT application and then the Gemini application, and I realized some kind of issues with them. And in this episode, I get to share with you all I have found. Welcome to episode 2 of Beyond ChatGPT. With the problem, this is what I found. Whenever you are, let me use a scenario for this. I quite remember my boss was communicating with 2 of his software developers, and in a meeting, and then they were brainstorming on this new idea, this new feature they wanted to bring on board. And the idea was, they were sharing the idea, and the boss wanted to bring ChatGPT in. So he logged in into his ChatGPT account, and then prompted ChatGPT the normal way to prompt ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT gave it a result. And then with the results it got, he shared it with his 2 software engineers. Actually, they were using laptops, so he shared it with each of them, and they all got it. They all got it into their account, and then they read through. But what the boss wanted to continue doing was to prompt the ChatGPT, like continue prompting it, whilst they continue to receive the updates. So actually, something like if he prompts, they would see it in real time. And it's something that is not in there. So I want to kind of like come up with something and then build it. Maybe there's a platform that is having this feature already. I don't know about that, but this is something I have found, and I want to work on. the design is still ongoing. I've not completed yet, but there's a lot of work to be done. The design, it's really takes a lot, but I don't want to bore you guys with that. So I was having this domain, section chat.online, which was lying down, which will expire around December. So I decided to go ahead with that. I don't want to waste any money on something which might not be that concrete or maybe valid by you guys. So what I've done is I've used that domain, uploaded the code, a landing page, a waiting list to Vecel, and connected that domain, which is working very properly. So you could go right to section chat.online, and you could see the landing page. You could add your email to the waiting list, and then you could join. And the waiting list is not that bad. Well, no, it's not that bad. I designed everything right from the head. I always think inspiration is outside, so take inspiration and then bump it. So it says, discover a new way to chat with AI on section chat. Section chat, yeah. So instead of sending prompts and messages, invite users to join the conversation in real time. Experience the power of AI firsthand with endless possibilities at your fingertips. Your email, then you join the waiting list. And also, you could see buy me a MacBook down there. So you could donate to support this episode, or you could still wait to see how everything goes and then see how everything is. Yeah, so I'm very happy I've been able to come up with something like this, and it's still ongoing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet or like this video, do so, and also share this content or share this episode to a friend who hasn't joined yet. And also, if you don't know, I have the episode 1. The episode 1 is down there. I'll upload it somewhere, so you can just check it out and see why I'm starting something like this. And with that being said, I'm going to continue my design because it's a lot of work.